Welcome to our video showcasing the YQ48 Pack 2 Oz tins with lids, perfect for all your DIY projects. These durable aluminum tins measure 2.68 inches in diameter and 0.98 inches in height, holding up to 60 milliliters of liquid. Each tin features a smooth, screw-top lid that ensures a tight seal, keeping your lotions, balms, and salves fresh and secure. The rust-resistant material guarantees long-lasting use, making these tins ideal for storing a variety of creams and candles. Included are 4 sheets of stickers, so you can easily label your creations for a professional look. Their compact size makes them versatile and easy to carry, perfect for home or travel. Enjoy peace of mind with dedicated customer service, ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.